Paul Graham from OptimalBody.ca. Today I'm going to be talking to you about how to make plain Greek yogurt taste good. So I'm going to share with you 5 strategies to making plain Greek yogurt taste good. First, you can get flavored stevia. So stevia is a natural sweetener and you can get it with different types of flavors. So you can get vanilla, chocolate, caramel, just to use a few examples. Find the flavor you like, and then you can just simply mix a couple drops of stevia extract into your Greek yogurt. Then you get the flavoring without the added processed sugars. Strategy number 2 for making plain Greek yogurt taste good is to add a little bit of protein powder. If you pick out a protein powder that isn't high in processed sugar, you can add in a little bit of protein powder that's going to give it some flavoring. Click on the link above my head if you want to learn how to pick out a good protein powder. Strategy number 3 for making plain Greek yogurt taste better, add a little bit of nut butter to it. So if you're trying to change your body composition and lose body fat, you want to be careful of serving size, but by adding some nut butter like peanut butter or almond butter into the Greek yogurt, that can help to change the flavor as well. Strategy number 4 for making plain Greek yogurt taste better, you could add some cinnamon to it. Cinnamon is an easy way to change the flavor without adding any calories or processed sugar to the yogurt. Finally, strategy number 5 for improving the taste of plain Greek yogurt. You can blend up some berries into the Greek yogurt. A lot of times people will mix a little bit of berries into it. If you actually toss it into a blender, it's going to take the flavor up far more. So there you have 5 different strategies for making plain Greek yogurt taste good.